What is the weirdest fact you know? 1. Apparently, the way children start to hate their parents in puberty is an evolutionary way to prevent anything weird happening between you and them. Which makes sense, like how babies are cute so we actually take care of them. 2. When you get a kidney transplant they leave the old ones in unless there's a reason to remove them, cancer, etc. I currently have 5. 2 original, 2 failed transplants, 1 functioning transplant. 3. Elephants can't jump. They're the only mammal that can't. They're also the only one with 4 knees. 4. Booby trap backwards is party boob. 5. Bees can experience time like we do. Scientists discovered this through witnessing them having jet lag. 6. During the American Civil War it was an unspoken rule to never shoot a man while he was taking a shit cause of how severe stomach viruses and diseases were during the time. IDK about you guys, but if it were me, I'd be shitting at every battlefield in whatever theater I was in, lol. 7. In Germany you can get sentenced to up to 10 years in prison for causing a nuclear